We are Lallemand Baking, a dedicated and passionate world-class producer of industrial baking solutions. Our range of enzyme-based solutions provide the opportunity for bakers to meet consumer demand for premium baked goods made with natural ingredients with the desired softness and eating qualities. Lallemand Baking's customized solutions can also help meet new sustainability standards, assisting bakers in process optimization, bake time reduction, and the creation of a high-end baked product with a lowered environmental impact. Embark on a solution journey with us to find the enzyme-based solution you need for sustainable baking. In collaboration with you, we will test process conditions to reduce your carbon footprint without affecting your productivity or the product's quality. During the baking process, our solution will reduce baking time as we take a close look at the hydration level of your formulation, as well as your specific process parameters. To ensure that your initial processing is not affected, we monitor the dough development and dough rheology and adjust if needed. Once the formulation and hydration level have been optimized, we adjust the scaling weight to maintain your required baking weight despite the bake time reduction. During molding, we ensure the proposed solution is also performing well, paying a close attention to dough rheology. The dough must be well processed to set the final shape and crumb texture in the baked product. Our customized solution can reduce your baking time by up to 30%. This means more throughput and possible standardized baking time across SKUs, resulting in less downtime, energy cost savings, and a more efficient process. The final baked product is the same weight and of the same quality. You can now experience the benefits of an optimized formula with reduced baking time and improved process efficiency, all while reducing environmental impact. Lallemand Baking is committed to delivering key benefits that can directly improve your company's sustainability profile, from waste reduction to energy savings and ingredients replacement. Our solutions are your innovation.